In primetime news this evening, Jamaica gets first gold medal in the 2024 Paris Olympics.
A JPS faces more pressure to complete power restoration.
And police make arrests in multi-million-dollar US dollar cocaine bust in St. Andrew community. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, it's a Wednesday, so I'll have the latest fuel prices. Plus, exports in the manufacturing sector have gone up. I'll tell you by how much in the business day.
And thank you, Andrea. And they have all been warning me, bear in mind, that I cannot comment about the story that they know I'm going to comment about, which is the gold medal run in the Olympics. Giovanni here.
Archie,
Dennis
let me just
here.
put it in perspective.
Yep,
Archie gets bragging rights because he called it from last week.
All right, cool. Now, Giovanni Dennis has the headlines of Primetime Sports.
Not just that, Janella, I gather the athlete is also a past student of St. James. We are still on the Olympics, and we have another good news as well, more good news. 3 sprint hurdlers through to the finals of the 110-meter hurdles at the Paris Olympics. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports.
Say no more, Archie.
I'm done. All right, it's now time to find out what's going to happen in the weather. Romain is here.
Thanks, Archibald. For the rest of this week, we do have some scattered showers and thunderstorm activity that we are expecting mainly in the afternoons across the west, but another tropical wave should be moving into the area on Sunday.
You're in such a good mood.
It's a great mood. It's gold.
Just read off.
There's also sports coverage to E-Prime and the weather report in detail later on in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to Jamaica's Roger Stoner winning gold and setting an Olympic record in the men's discus at the Paris Olympics?
I didn't see the Olympic record. I'm off. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
He gets bragging rights and it's okay. So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.